What's up guys, this is Saif and welcome to Techbyte. So today in this video I will be showing you how you can install Macos Mojave on your virtual machine. So let's jump into this video. So first let me show you my machine configurations. So as you can see, I'm using a Windows 10 Professional. I'm using an i5 processor and the RAM is 16 GB here. For the installation, we are only going to need 4 things here. First is the VirtualBox software, which is a total free and widely used software. The version of this VirtualBox is 5.2.2. Second one is the text file, which I named it as key for VirtualBox. These commands you have to run while installing a virtual machine. Third one is the image of Macos Mojave. Also, I have given you the link in the description below. First, you need to extract the zip file. You can use any compression utility software. I'm using a 7-zip since it's a free software. Last one is the extension for VirtualBox, which I'm going to install it right away. Open the VirtualBox, click on File and then Preferences. Now I'm going to click on Extensions, click on the small plus sign here and browse the extension. So now the extension is installed successfully. Next, I'm going to create a virtual machine. So I'm going to click on New. You can choose the name whatever you like. I'm going to name this Mojave. From the drop down menu, I'm going to choose Mac OS X. Choose 64-bit and click on Next. Increase the RAM to 4 GB and then click on Next. Choose an existing virtual hard drive file which we have downloaded and extracted on our desktop. And finally click on Create. Once our VM file is created, click on Settings and uncheck the floppy drive box. Choose on processor and increase the processing speed up to 2, 3 or 4, whatever you like. I'm increasing this to 4 because the more you give, the better performance you will get. Next, I'm going to click on display and I'm going to increase the video performance to max. Then going to storage and check the use host IO cache. Now here in USB, in some cases mouse doesn't work in the virtual machine, so in that case you might need to add your mouse from here. Finally, we click on OK. Next up, I'm going to make changes in key for VirtualBox file. Here I have named this VirtualBox as Mojave, so in the file I'm going to change this to Mojave. So in my key for VirtualBox name, I'm going to replace the name Macos Mojave with Mojave since my virtual machine name is Mojave. If you name your virtual machine as Macos Mojave, then you don't need to make any changes in the file. You can just fire those commands directly. So anyways, I'm going to open the terminal as administrator. To do that, just type the CMD in the search bar. Since I'm using VirtualBox version 5 here, so I'm going to fire first list of command one by one in the terminal now. If in case you are using version 4, then you need to fire second sets of commands. So now almost everything is done here. We are just going to run the VM now. This can take around 2 to 5 minutes. So now finally our VM is working, but mouse is not working. So here I am going to power off this virtual machine now. Then I will again go to the settings, click on USB and choose USB 3.0. Then click on the little plus sign here and add mouse from the list. We don't need to add the keyboard anyways. Start your VM now. Our mouse is working properly now. I'm going to fast forward this video now, since you can do the configuration process according to your needs. So guys, in just less than 15 minutes, I have installed Macos Mojave virtual machine on a PC. I did not skip any of the steps. I'm sure that this will work on your machine also. You just need a decent configuration machine. So guys, smash that like button below if you like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel because I'll be coming up with more awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching. Peace.